there's a propensity to say no when it comes to research and development because it is high risk and it's high cost. At Ionis, we begin with the patient, we end with the patient, and we have a bias to say yes. We have a bias to say yes to our people who want to go above and beyond. We have a bias to people's growth. We have a bias to their ideas and experiments. And we have a bias to say yes when it comes to the life-saving transformative medicines that they want to develop on behalf of the patients who depend on us. So when we saw that Xconomy Awards had a category for building a biotech that centered around a successful biotech company that had to deal with great science and fostering that type of environment, it described Ionis's culture. We are science-driven, we're innovative-centered. It took us 30 years to build the platform that we have. And it is all coming to fruition now, beginning with the validation of Spinraza financially and therapeutically. Children who were literally dying by the age of 1 or 2 are living and developing full and healthy lives, as well as adults getting stronger and stronger every day because of our treatment. We're giving hope to patients with Huntington's disease and ALS, as well as a number of other diseases that didn't have any treatments, or patients and their loved ones who didn't have hope at all. So when we saw this particular category, it was really a true definition of who we were as an organization, and that's why the nomination was submitted to Xconomy on behalf of Ionis. In order to unleash the innovation and the power and the passion of the individuals within the organization, it is unstifled by the word yes. So the organization itself, from the time that you walk into the front door, from reception to any function within an organization, you can ask them why they're there. And they will tell you that it's because sick people depend on us. And so when you think about the weight and the power of that, you can't deliver on that, or you can't walk through a day and do what you're supposed to do and not want to do what's best. And you can't do that with a no. Our founder, Stanley Crook, said it better. No patient has ever gotten better with a no. And so with that said, you know, when we've had patients drive up to our door and walk through our front door and they've made it to his office or anyone's office for that matter, the answer is typically yes. When you have created a platform that could treat one patient to millions, we know the power in that. And so that yes means so much to any patient, to families, and to their loved ones and friends. So that is what the culture is built on, that sick people depend on us. And that yes, the propensity to say yes, keeps the culture moving. It gives us a sense of urgency. It's our North Star.